Hello everyone, welcome to Introduction to HTML Part 2. In my earlier video, Introduction to HTML Part 1, we have completed some of the topics such as Hypertext Markup Language HTML, Structure of HTML, Categories of HTML Tags, Platform of programming, running the code. So these are 5 topics which we have covered in Introduction to HTML Part 1. Let's move ahead and check the difference between HTML and HTML5. So here are differentiating points between HTML and HTML5. So let's move ahead and check one by one. So the HTML is older version, whereas HTML5 is the newer version. HTML can work with older browser and HTML5 can work with newer browser. Vector graphics cannot be added in HTML, whereas in HTML5 we can add vector graphics. HTML do not support JavaScript programming, whereas in HTML5 it supports JavaScript programming. Multimedia cannot be managed, whereas in HTML5 multimedia can be managed efficiently. So HTML can be called as static one, whereas HTML5 can be called as dynamic one. So the main difference between HTML and HTML5 to make your web page static or dynamic, to make your web page interactive, is that multimedia can be managed efficiently in HTML5, which cannot be managed into HTML. So this is the biggest difference between HTML and HTML5. You know well what is multimedia, like images, videos you can add into your web pages by using HTML5 flavor, whereas in HTML it's not possible to add multimedia. Let's move ahead and check what is HTML5. So HTML5 is the standard language for developing and creating interactive website. Just before some time I told you interactive web pages and interactive website means to add responsive methods, to add images, to add videos, can make your web page interactive and can add your interactive websites. HTML5 is introduced by Tim Berners-Lee. It can be executed in any text editor and it is compatible with most of the web browsers. So it is all about HTML5. Let's move ahead and check how we can perform the example for creating your first page, that is my first web page. So moving ahead for the demonstration of your first web page, for that you have to use text document. So this text document I will rename it as, you can save it as first web page. Enter. You can start now the coding. So for the coding, you know well, in HTML, as it is HTML container tag, so you can use beginning tag and end tag. Either you can have this practice or one by one also you can go ahead. So now I want the web page, and here to design the web page I need to specify the head of it. So here I am using head of the web page, and simultaneously I am closing with the head of the web page. And what we can do here now, so here I am specifying the title, which title you want to give for your web page. So I am giving it as my first web page, and title I am closing over here. So here with this you can check for the output also. Here you can have this, and simultaneously you can save this document. So it is as save as, you can check this as that .txt extension. Now it is .html. To run this code we need to save it as .html. So you are saving it now. Once we have saved it, so you can check with this that where is your first web page. So you can check your first web page here. So this is your first web page and edited file is also here. So see, you have given title as my first web page and here it is the title my first web page. Now this is about the head of the web page and this is the title. Now this is the body part. If you want the content into this body part, what you should do? So check here, you need to specify body tag. Under body tag you can again use it for closing also. Then write down the code in between. You can write it down over here. If you want heading level to specify, so H1 is the tag to specify heading level 1. Here I am writing my name is Bob. Close H1 tag. You can use H2 also. H2 as standard 12. Here like this. Then H3 also you can use to specify your address. Then H3 you can close H3 tag. H3 tag. So here H1 is heading level 1, H2 is heading level 2, H3 is heading level 3. You can use up to H6 also. So now let's check what is the change into this program. But let me tell you before changing the program that this is simple HTML code. If you want to use it for HTML5, so you have to use one header file and this is the important declaration. So here you should use docker type HTML. Doc type HTML is the one to declare the document type. So document type declaration is mentioned by using doc type HTML. Now you can save this. So save it. As you already saved it with the HTML extension, you can refresh this program and here is your output. So the title was my first web page. Here it is your first web page. You have used H1, H2 and H3. So consecutively with the heading type, my name is Bob, standard 12, Pune. This is the output of your first web page program. Here we have seen 3 different programs. First one, basic HTML program to display your title of the web page. Then we have added the content into this body part, that is heading level also we have used. And third, we have checked with HTML5 flavor with the document type declaration, that is doc type HTML. So this is all